Jason here from WA Building Movers talking again about hurricane preparation, and today we're going to talk about hurricane preparation for a construction site. So not always something you're going to think about, but there are a lot of jobs that are actually active when a storm comes, just as how can you actually predict this happening. So here's a few quick tips for what you can do to have just a pre-storm prep for a hurricane for a job site. One, you want to write up a hurricane preparation plan, and that's just if a storm's on its way, it's important for all construction companies in hurricane-prone areas to have a written hurricane preparation plan that's basically assigns a project for everybody, that they understand what their role is for this site. Monitor the weather, of course. A lot of patterns can change very quickly, and one time where you think the storm's not going to hit can rapidly change to your destination. So if a storm's coming close, it might be best for you to prepare a plan just with the anticipation that this could happen. Work with the local building and apartments. If there is something on your job site that could be at risk because of a storm-related activity, you want to be in contact with the building department, where if you are waiting on permits or waiting on just inspections to be able to take the next step, they may make exceptions if you need to do something to hopefully resist or prevent something bad happening because you're not able to get to that step because you're waiting on an inspection. Secure job site materials, of course. If you have a lot of materials on the ground that could be washed away, or a lot of things that could go flying with bad winds, you want to secure all your job site materials. One, of course, you're not going to lose materials. Two, to protect the job site. Three, to protect from injuring anybody that may be in surrounding properties or surrounding houses. And lastly, plan for water removal. If you're in a high tide area, flooding area, last thing you want is to have a lot of water in your property, but it can and will happen. And when that does happen, and you do have a construction site that's not a live site day in and day out, how are you going to be able to do this water removal so you can get back to a clean, safe working environment? Just a few pre-storm prep tips for a construction site. Hopefully this was helpful. Again, this is Jason from WA Building Movers. Reach out to us at wabuildingmovers.com. You can also check out more videos on YouTube, of course, and have a great day. Hello, this is Jason here from WA Building Movers. Today we want to talk about foundation inspection and foundation repair. So when buying a new construction house, a home warranty can in fact cover foundation damage or foundation repairs that comes up from a new build. However, when you have a house that may be renovated, a home warranty is not available for foundations. Usually it's a service contract repair that the warranty is available for. So make sure you understand when buying a house what you're actually into, so you know what's going to be covered by these repairs, so you're not caught out if a couple of years later you found that there is some damage to a foundation that was pre-existing, or may have been hidden behind a finished basement or covered up by other things, preventing you from ideally discovering this prior from purchasing the home. A few things to think about. Again, this is Jason here from WA Building Movers. You can check out more videos on YouTube at youtube.com/WA Building Movers. Thank you.